drivers in a zebra-striped vehicle will come to assist you. Remember to stay inside your vehicle with the windows closed. This audio tour is one complete narration. We'll introduce you to each section of the safari and tell you a little about each animal that lives there. When we've completed that section, we'll remind you to put your player on pause until you reach the next section. This will keep your audio tour synced up with your journey. You can find out more about each animal species at sixflags.com/safari. Just the marabou stork. These black and white birds with the long
for 1,000 pounds and have antlers that average 4 feet long. For most of the year, female elk live in groups of 20 to 30 with their young, while males live on their own or in small groups. During their breeding season, which is known as rut, bull elk will join 20 to 30 with their young, while males live on their own or in small groups. During their breeding season, which is known as rut, bull elk will join these female groups to breed, fighting with other bulls using their antlers. You may also hear them vocalizing during rut. Males make a bugle sound, and females bark in reply.
Let's talk about the American bison. These giant brown creatures are the symbol of the North American Great Plains. Bison are the largest American land animal, weighing up to 20.
저로 가줄까?
어?
저로 가?
근데 여기서 찍을 수 있어.
아 저기 번호가 있네. 저기 5번이다 5번. 간다?
응.
아씨. 아씨. 아이고. 그죠?
each day and eat 300 pounds of food. You can tell an African elephant from an Asian elephant most easily by the shape of its ears. African elephant ears are actually shaped like the continent of Africa. An elephant's trunk is an elongation of its upper lip and nose, and it's made up of more than 100,000 muscles. It's also prehensile, meaning that it's capable of grasping like a hand. Elephants use their trunks to pick up items, suck in water, and to breathe while swimming completely submerged underwater.
코뿔소랑 코끼리랑 다 있네. 저기 쫙.
Say hello to the ostrich. The ostrich is the world's largest bird, reaching up to 8 feet tall and weighing up to 300 pounds. Although they do not fly, they are also the fastest running birds in the world. They can reach speeds from 32. It's not clear exactly how the white rhino got its name, but it's possible that it came from a mistranslation of the word wide, referring to the rhino's square-shaped lip. Regardless, the white rhino is the largest living species of the 5 species of rhino, averaging 4,000 to 6,000 pounds. Rhinos have 2 horns, but they're not made of bone. They're actually made of keratin, the same material that makes up our hair and fingernails. You may know.
Horses, donkey, and zebra. Speaking of zebra, let's talk about the prince zebra. Keep your distance, zebras can be very aggressive, which may be the reason they were never domesticated. Similar to a human fingerprint, the stripe pattern on each zebra is unique. No 2 patterns are alike. Here's a question. Are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? Any guesses? Though many zebras have an all-white belly, the dark color of their muzzle, inner ears, and just below the hook indicates that the zebra can be considered black or dark brown with a
Black coat with age. The males also have impressive twisted horns that point upward in the shape of a V. These animals are incredible athletes, reaching top speeds of 50 miles per hour for short distances. They can jump up to 5 feet straight up when startled. They travel in herds of 5 to 50 in either mixed or bachelor herds. Males defend their territories, while females are nomadic. Six Flags has multiple herds of black buck. This herd, as well as the herd in the Serengeti grasslands, behavior for the gazelle and impala. The Dama gazelle is the world's largest gazelle because of their long, slender legs. They have ribbed, S-shaped horns. Oryx was listed as extinct in the wild. Since then, 25 oryx were introduced in Chad in 2016, calling in a total to be about 25 years old. In the last 30 years, giraffe numbers have decreased 40% due to habitat loss, poaching, and other human interferences. The International Union for Conservation of Nature declared giraffes vulnerable. Long horns. These horns have special blood vessels that help cool off the cattle by circulating blood away from the body and then returning the blood once it has cooled. This helps them survive in warm climates.
먹는 거 아니야, 바보야.
Last but certainly not least, let's welcome the bongo. You'll know the bongo by its striking reddish-brown coat with white stripes. Unique black and white face mark. African lion. Though they are referred to as the king of the jungle, lions are native to grasslands and not what we traditionally think of as jungles. Jungle comes from the Hindi word jangal, which means an uninhabitable place. Like the arid grasslands, lions call home. Lions are the only truly social cat species, living in family groups called prides. A pride usually consists of one male with many females and their cubs, though it's not uncommon for there to be one. They will greet one another by rubbing their faces and bodies against each other. Lions are an endangered species. Historically, they were spread throughout almost all of Africa, Southwest Asia, reaching India, and even in parts of Europe. In the 1940s, lion populations were estimated at 450,000. But over here, you may see some of the exotic birds of Africa. So let's learn more about them.
떼보러 가도 돼.
First, let's meet the Chilean flamingo. Means an uninhabitable place. Like the arid grasslands, lions call home. Lions are the only truly social cat species, living in family groups called prides. A pride usually consists of one male with many females, though it's not uncommon for there to be multiple males in a pride with a single dominant alpha male.
However, black bears that are located near human development often enter towns looking for food, which can cause conflict.
좀 섞어? 좀 더 가?
응.
사람도 치네. 새끼. 헤엄 열심히 쳐. 청소도 안 해?
응.
Can reach almost 7 feet tall, sprint up to 30 miles per hour, and take strides that are 9 feet apart. Emu are able to reach such heights and speeds due to being the only bird with a calf muscle. Emu feathers are a dark color with light speckles and a blue coloration on their face. The blue
오, 친구들 잘생겼는데?
응.
뛰는 게, 그렇지. 또 앞에 이렇게 줄. 친구들 내가 보러 가줄게. 오 애기야. 뿔도 덜 자랐어.